So I'm very happy that we will have this event today concerning the Danube program line of Novi Sad 2021, because I think it is in general very important and significant that Novi Sad will be an active place for Danube activities in the future. I talked to many artists and cultural experts in the Danube region, and everybody was delighted with the idea to make Novi Sad to a cultural hub in the Danube region, to a creative and innovative hub of the Danube region, because it has a tradition already. And on the other hand, of course, the European Capital of Culture title and program can help us to make more of it. As you may know, Novi Sad has a very strong symbolic, let's say, meaning in the Danube region, because it is exactly on halfway between the Black Forest and the Black Sea. It's very symbolic because it is open, the city is open to the west, it is open to the east, and it was influenced from both directions, so it's the best mixture to be a cultural hub, as I said. I think Danube cooperations are extremely important for Europe, for whole Europe, and that's why it is a wonderful role for Novi Sad, and we will have very concrete activities in the upcoming years concerning this, and this begins today with this open dialogue with the local people, with the artists, with the cultural players concerning Danube topics. We will set up an artist in residence Danube network, which is also already under construction, let's say so, and different other things, also bigger projects, all in cooperation with our friends from Baden-Württemberg, from Austria, from Hungary, from Romania, and different other cities from the Danube region. So this is what we have in mind, and this is to what we invite all the active players from the cultural scene in Novi Sad. Thank you very much.